How to sign up Midjourney. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can sign up on Midjourney, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to actually sign up on Midjourney, then all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to actually go to midjourney.com. Now the way to use Midjourney is that you have to use it from Discord, so without Discord you'll not be able to use it, but still what you can do is to sign up. You can see the sign up option on the right hand side, so just scroll and click on sign up. Then right here you can see it will ask you to connect your Discord account directly, so it's asking me to give access to my Discord. So once you verify the correct Discord account, you can click on authorized, and that's just how your Midjourney account is actually created. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically create a Midjourney account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.